Oh, sorry. Okay. Hello. My name is Aria Doodles, and welcome to Catbird episode 3. 3? 3. It's been a while since I've been able to record stuff. Alright, let's see, where did we leave off? Okay, so we finished that planet. Oop, that one's not open. We need this one. Okay. We're on that level. Okay. Jump. Jump. Ah! I already forgot what I was doing. No! Okay, jump. Back up. Jump. Jump. Wait. Do this. Go here. Do this. Go there. Okay. Go. I feel like I missed something there. Oh, almost died. Oh. I forgot those guys existed. Okay, let's retry this. Oh no! Nope, didn't make it. Okay. Alright, let's... Never mind then. There's gonna be a lot of stupid deaths. Ah! Okay. Go. Go! Be free! Oh. I thought I didn't make that. Okay. Alright. Need it. Hold on. Oh no! I shouldn't have jumped. I should have stayed. Okay, we'll do this one first. Okay. Doop-a-doop. Doop-doop. Darn it! It was so close. Run away! No! I didn't make it! No! Darn milk! Why'd you have to be lactose intolerant, kitty? Doop. Okay. Ba-doop. Run. Ba-doop. Run. Okay. Doop, ba-doop. I will get this eventually. Go, 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 jump! Go, 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 jump! Jump! Jump, jump. Okay, I got this, I got this. Yes! Victory is mine! Okay. Yay! Oh no! Okay. The game froze for a moment. I was like, no! Okay. Okay. Ah. Really, me? Really? Ah, damn nabbit. Okay. I got this. I got the jump. Wait, was there anything down there? No. I'm thinking I forgot something. But I should be good. I can't go there, I can't go there. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this. Go, 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 go. Died. Fair enough. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Ah! Damn nabbit. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. How about do this, do this. Oh, there's milk! Okay. Go, 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 go. I'm just gonna... Never mind then. There are spikes. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Oh, God, no. Okay. We did not time this well. Damn nabbit. Ah. There's no way past this. I have to die. Okay. Gotta do this much faster. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I died. Speed is key, but I still have to be careful. Go, 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 go. I thought I was gonna die. I was like, no. Go, 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 go. I do not know what... I feel like I missed something. I really, really do. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna redo it. Pause. Go home. Did it? What? Yeah, I'm on that one, right? No, right, I got the crown. Yeah, okay. That seems about right. Okay. I want to make sure I don't miss any of the crowns. I must get them all. Nope. Failed. Damn nabbit. Old people swears. Go! Go! Go, little kitty! Go! Yeah! Made it! Badoop, badoop, badoop. Can't land on top of that. Okay. Badoo. Badoo. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Up here. Here. Do I? Yes! Yeah! I only know that because I've done this level before, and it took me like 20 minutes to figure out that stupid secret. I kept trying to do it the long way around. Like, I thought I had to bring all the boxes over there. And I just couldn't figure it out for the longest time. Oh yeah, forget. I can wear this as a hat. Do you like my new hat? It's a great hat. But yeah, and there were so many deaths because I couldn't get past that. I live streamed that on my Twitch. I don't do Twitch that much because I need to update everything with new art. Like, I want to do art for, like, the rules and everything, make it look nice, and kind of, like, redo it, and kind of, like, almost start from, like, scratch for the most part. But, yeah. Okay. Got the key, go over here, bounce up. Double check, make sure there's nothing over here. Ah! I did not trust that. I do not. Ah! Ah! Fly! Okay. I can do this. Jump up here, go up here, do this. Almost died. Come on, bounce over me. Yay. Wait for it. Up, 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 up. Boom. I don't trust this. Okay. No, nothing over there. Alright, let's see here. Doo-doo. What's down here? Oops, sorry. Ba-doop. That was my bad. Of course I died. Sorry for the jingling. I have charms on my phone. And I learned that this app that I'm using to record phone games doesn't do sound if I have headphones plugged in. So, yeah. Death. Alright. We're just gonna go over here. Never mind. Cough, cough, dies. Alright. So, let's see. I need to stop walking into spikes. This is not okay. Go, go, go. Yes. I have to push you over this way. There's most likely something up here. Yes. Go, 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 go. Jump. Go, 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 go. Yay! I did it. Ba-doop. I think it just squishes the box. Go, go, go. I drop that. Ba-doop. Ba-doop. Baka. Okay. We got this. We can do it. I don't have to re-get the crown, do I? Probably. Yep. Patience is important. Go, 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 go! Go! Wait! Go! Got it! Yes! Wait. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! I don't trust that. Run away! Okay. And I'll drop a box. I'm gonna go here. Do that. Alright. Yay! Level finished. Okay. I'm going to stop the episode here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. And yeah. I really need to get better at doing ending stuff. Okay, bye. Ba-doop.